This is a patient that comes from outside of our country. The reason is have a traffic accident with multiple scars and hyperpigmentation for the traumatism. Here I performed a double plasty with laser. Here the same, removing all this scar, and all the face is treated with anti-jack Q-switch 1064 to reduce the hyperpigmentation. This is the treatment after 2-3 months. We can see the scar is almost imperceptible. This one also the same. Here we have like a cube, the pressed cube. Here is even, and the treatment improves all the hyperpigmentation. Also, we remove with laser these nevus. This is the kind of procedure that I perform in my clinic, Buenos Aires clinic, and we have all kind of new technology, the best technology of laser and other technologies. This is the patient. He speaks Spanish. I put the video in mute just only to see the full face of the patient.